Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're anything like me, a new Cricut machine means so many new ideas and so many crafts that you want to create. In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing of the Cricut Joy Xtra and seeing what's in the box and what really this baby can do. So without further ado, let's get crafting. All right, let's unbox the Cricut Joy Xtra together. Right on top, we've got a little folder with a user guide. I love how Cricut always keeps it simple and beginner friendly. I'm just gonna flip through the first few pages here. It's got everything you need to get started, step by step. Cricut has also included some materials for us to test out on our new machine. First up, we have this writable smart vinyl in white, perfect for organizing. Then we've got 2 sheets of black removable smart vinyl, great for custom decals. And then this gold iron-on is so pretty. I can't wait to try it on a tote bag or a t-shirt. And of course, some transfer tape to make application a breeze. And next, the piece of resistance, what we're all here for, the machine itself. It's still super compact and it's giving big craft energy, but still in a small package. And underneath, Cricut tucked away a few more goodies. We've got a black fine point pen, great for writing and drawing all those projects. A mini weeding tool, always handy for removing those tiny vinyl pieces. And of course, the power adapter to get you plugged in and ready to go. That's everything that comes in the box. Now let's get this plastic wrap off so we can start crafting. Now it's time to get everything set up with Cricut. Just head over to cricut.com/setup. Make sure to pick the Cricut Joy Xtra from the list and follow the on-screen instructions. It walks you through step by step. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes. Once it's connected, you're all set to start crafting. As you can see, I ran into a bit of an issue getting my machine to connect so we can do the test cut. I tried a few times, but it wasn't working. So I gave Cricut customer service a call, and honestly, they were amazing. The wait time was under 3 minutes, and the rep was super helpful. Within a few minutes, my machine was connected and ready to go. Since I had to skip the test cut, I thought, why not just dive into what a lot of you are here for, the print and cut with the Cricut Joy Xtra. But first, we need to calibrate our machine for the print then cut. But don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. You'll need to print out a calibration sheet on your home printer, then follow the on-screen instructions. The Cricut will cut a series of fine lines, and you'll select the one that cuts right through the center. Once that's done, your machine is calibrated and ready for print then cut. Now that the machine is calibrated, let's make some fun Cricut themed stickers. I printed these on my HP printer using sticker paper. Then I placed them on the light blue mat and loaded them into the machine. In Cricut Design Space, just select the material you're going to use. In my case, it will be the printable stickers, and then hit go. The machine will scan the black lines in the corners to figure out exactly where it needs to cut. Then you just let the Cricut do its thing and you enjoy the most satisfying part, watching those perfect cuts come to life. Once it's done, hit unload in Design Space and carefully peel away your mat from your material. And just like that, you've got amazing custom stickers ready to use. My initial thoughts, it's still compact like the original Joy, but you can just immediately tell that it's built to do more. And I love that we can now use print and cut with this machine, making the possibilities endless. And if you're wondering how this compares to the original, stay tuned. My next video, we will do an in-depth comparison between the two, so you can decide which one's right for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. And I want you to comment below what project you'd like me to do next with the Cricut Joy Xtra. Thanks for unboxing with me today. Until next time, stay crafty.